moving them and they wasn't making a different sound.
I got your son.
You did?
I did. I got your son. Walked over there and told him. I asked him to get out over there. He's like, what? Walked over. I said, can I get out over there? He's like, man, I can't hear you. I was like, you need to get some hearing
Oh,
aids.
thank you. He's picking on me, that might be good.
I had to-